In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Telegram channel. Now, there are just few steps you can follow to delete a Telegram channel. Now, for my case, I have here two channels that are similar and they are serving the same purposes. So I'd like to go ahead and delete one of them. So let's get into it. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now, to get started, first identify the channel that you want to delete. And for my case, I want to delete this first channel. So I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. Now from here, tap on the channel name above it here, and this will open up all the description about your channel. So once you have opened these details about your channel, now go down under members and look for the option called channel settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Now this will give you more control about your channel and you can go ahead and do various things, among them deleting the channel. So to delete the channel permanently, just scroll down and you'll see an option called delete channel. So if I go ahead and tap on delete channel, I'll have to confirm if indeed I want to delete this channel. So just go ahead and tick this to confirm that indeed you want to delete the channel and all the subscribers. Now by doing so, you have to know that your members of the channels will no longer be able to access the channel once it has been deleted. So if you are okay with your selection, go ahead and tap on delete channel, and the channel is being deleted and it is done. And now you can see the first channel has gone and now I'm only remaining with one. So that's how you delete a Telegram channel with few simple steps. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.